Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing a Tactile turn pen. I'll be using my Jack Wolf Midnight and S90V slip joint. First we got Tactile sticker. Alright, box. This is the thick titanium. I did not get this one engraved because I don't know why. Just because, I guess. Alright. Gotta slip it through. There we go. Ooh, wow. That's a thick, yep, that's definitely a thick one. Okay, let's put this like so. Alright, I did also not, well, you can't even get the Timascus button for this. It wasn't being offered. So, this is just a sterile titanium thick boy. Got the micro texture there. Let's check action. Yep, feels about the same. How's the fitment? Looks pretty good. Length is 3, 4, 5.5 inches. Actually, a little bit more than 5.5. Let's see. No, it's about 5.5. There's the short, and here is the copper standard, so you can see the difference in thickness as well. So these should be the same length. Now let me grab these two, and you can just see kind of the difference in thickness. You can really tell on the action, like the button, because you can really see how thick it is in there. Let's see, just put them really close. Yeah, there's... The lighting is kind of hard to get here, but you can see the circumference is also smaller, obviously. The buttons are same buttons though, I think. Well, I don't know. Let me know what you think. It almost looks like the thicker button. I mean, the thicker pen has a thicker button. I can't really tell though. As always though, very well done, well made, beautiful pen, and I'm looking forward to using it. Can't wait to try it out. Alright, see ya. Thanks for watching.